Hey everyone watching this video, this is my first time making a PC, so yeah, this is a budget build around $300, around $350 maybe. This is my first time making a PC and I fucked up a lot, it's not a good video, it's really scuffed.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to put it here. I think the pin is fine. Oh fuck, am I holding it correctly? Did I fuck up the pin already? We just need to put it right here, right? Like this. Oh, okay, it went in. It went in. Okay. We're doing good. Should I just put this in the casing first or? So there's no fan here, so should I open this one or just let it be?
I don't know.
But I bought this. Should I put this on first or?
I don't.
Like I have this. Like this or like this? Oh, like this maybe. No. This is too big, bro. Or this is in the bottom? Wait, do I put it there? Or what even is that for, bro? So I have this. Okay, let's just try opening it up. Okay. I'm not really a tech guy, you know. I make videos like 4 years ago and that's it. I don't really make videos anymore. Aww. Of course, I'm trying to make a really budget build. This is only for like 350 bucks. 352 bucks, but in Indonesia money, it's actually fairly a lot. Fuck, I think I just scraped the fucking motherboard, bro. Okay. Oh my god. It's not going out. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? So we got this. I don't fucking know what this is even for. Do I put it here or something?
Side first, then press down the heatsink to secure the clip on the other side.
I actually need to put it like, kind of like, okay, so basically now we need to put the thermal paste here. Hello? Where's the so like that, I feel like that's fine. Yeah, I feel like that's fine. I feel like that's a lot. Like I've seen tutorials, they just put like a little bit on it. You know what? I'm so scared I broke the CPU because when I push it down, when I force it down, there's like a sounds. Okay. Right there. Right. So it told me to put it on a 3-pin, but there's no 3-pin at all in this motherboard. So I'm pretty sure it's only here. This is the only. Okay, so this is my casing. Now we need to put the motherboard inside there, I think. So the cable. Oh wait, before that, we need to put this on. Okay, so now I need to put the RAM in. There's only two thingy of RAM, so I feel like it's gonna be easy, right? Like this. I put the RAM in, but there's no click sound. This is the shorter side, right? And that's the longer side. Or is that the same thing? I don't know. And I just put it in and it's not working. There's no click sound. Look, okay. We push it, both of them. Oh. It's kind of dark. I'm recording. Need the flashlight from my phone. There's no click sound. Is that the click sound? Did I put it correctly? Why is this one taller? It looks like... I don't know what the fuck is happening, so I'm gonna try that again. So I got my flash on. I don't know if I did it correctly or not, but let's try again on this one.
Oh la la.
Okay, so I turned my PC on, so it's working.
Oh la la.
Okay, so this is the... Oh fuck! That's the exhaust fan.
Oh la la.
Is this supposed to be that way? I think I did it wrong because this is like what is it called? Outsourcing the heat, and this is like insourcing the heat. Okay, what the fuck? I don't know what the fuck is. Okay, so I got it working. I tried to cable manage. Okay, I did it, and it turned on. It's around 1:44 a.m. I used my old laptop SSD. As you can see, I know it's a little bit fucked, and I changed the fan, one of the fan here, so I have an exhaust like so. The wind needs to go inside here and then go outside here, right? And the GPU is working fine. The fan is not on, but every time I play a game or something, then it turns on. So here's the cable management. Oh
la la!
It's my first try making. Just building a PC, so it's not that bad actually, and everything is fine. I feel like everything is working, so I'm happy with it. My first time building a PC, and it's not like fucked up. It's not broken. The fans are working. Everything is working. And I changed this part. If you noticed, this was upside down. No, not upside down. Like it was facing the wrong way, so the fan was facing this way. It's supposed to be not like that, but yeah, I mean, I feel great about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna try some video games. Oh yeah, I already tried Counter-Strike, and I got around 200 FPS, around, yeah, not bad, not bad. Like 200, and sometimes it goes down really bad for some reason. Maybe because of the GPU. So I bought an RX580 for this budget build, and what came is 590, RX 590. Okay, so the prices. Okay, so the components of my PC, let's start with the motherboard. Motherboard is ASRock A520M HVS, and I bought it for only 700,000, which is that much. I don't know how much is that. For the GPU, I bought an RX580, but somehow an RX590 came with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which was priced around 1.2 million or 1.2 juta, and that's around that much in USD. Okay, so for the CPU, I got a Ryzen 5 5500. I bought it around, I think, 1.5 million or around that much. And for the RAM, I bought an 8 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4, and this was expensive for DDR4, you know, it's 1.1 million. That's around that much in USD. Maybe it's not much for you guys, but it's a lot. For me, for just 2 8 gigabytes of RAM.
So for the SSD, I got one SSD from my old laptop and another from an online store from Team T-Force, around 512 gigabytes of SSD, around 789,000, that much in USD. Okay, for the PSU, I bought an FSP Hyper H3, which is 550 watts, and I bought it for around 639,000, and that is this much in USD. Okay, for the CPU cooler, I just bought some random shit, actually. It's a random it's called Leopard CPU cooler for around 156,000. It's that much in USD. And I got it for a total of 6 juta, or around 6 million, which is 341.29 cents of USD. So around 350 bucks, yeah. And yeah.
Thank you for watching, and see you later.